Introducing the NxTAG Respiratory Pathogen Panel plus SARS-CoV-2. This comprehensive assay detects up to 23 respiratory pathogens simultaneously, including SARS-CoV-2, in a closed-tube, easy-to-use system. The NxTAG Respiratory Pathogen Panel plus SARS-CoV-2 includes both viral and bacterial pathogens, and the lyophilized pre-plated wells can be separated to run from 1 to up to 96 samples in a single batch. Results are delivered in approximately 3 hours post-extraction by following 3 easy steps in the NxTAG chemistry workflow. Step 1. Simply add the extracted sample to the pre-sealed well containing the lyophilized reagents and seal the reaction for PCR with the provided foil. Step 2. Place the sealed plate on the thermal cycler and perform an integrated PCR and bead hybridization on the samples. Step 3. Transfer the sealed plate directly to the MAGPIX system and initiate the run. At the end of the run, Luminex synced software prepares a report for up to 96 samples. The NxTAG Respiratory Pathogen Panel plus SARS-CoV-2 is a highly scalable, cost-effective solution for the high-throughput detection of 23 bacterial and viral pathogens, including SARS-CoV-2. The total assay time is approximately 3 hours, excluding extraction. The NxTAG Respiratory Pathogen Panel plus SARS-CoV-2 syndromic testing made easy.